always better record. If I'm gonna post something on YouTube, it's gonna be this. Yeah. Good quality.
Now he knows what that means.
Okay.
He's never seen it.